Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I got this nice glowy radiant look. If you guys want to see how I did it with the e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter foundation, please continue watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. This one right here that everybody is buzzing about. If you want to see how I achieved this nice glowy skin, where it still looks like my skin is still peeking through, but it's nice and effortless and glowy, continue watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. I bought two of them to try out, and I wasn't sure what shade would be good for me, and especially this summertime I've gotten a little bit more color from being in the sun, and I just wasn't sure what shade I would be. So I ordered the last two shades, which are the 7 Deep Rich and the 8 Rich. So those are the two shades we're gonna try out, and I'm really excited to try it out. One, because it is cruelty free, it is vegan, it is clean. So, well, that's not why I'm excited to try it. I'm excited to try it because I always love this type of foundation for summertime. Or tinted moisturizers. I always like this level of coverage where it's like a no makeup look. I just think that we're out and about, especially in Minnesota. It gets so humid, it gets so hot, and at least my activity level usually is a little bit higher, and I just don't really need to be sweating out my makeup. All right, we'll try it on together, okay? Like the video if you haven't already, share it with others. I ordered this on their website. I ordered it from elf.com, I don't know, their website. I'll put it down below. I ordered it, and you get 2 free products. I don't know if that's a normal occurrence on their website because it was my first time ordering from them, but I got to pick 2 different products for free. Hydration toner because I'm drier skin, and I figured why not. And I also got this acne fighting spot gel with aloe. It's free. Let us try out the 7. I love the applicator so much, so huge and perfect. Perimeter, and I would like the 8 in the outer perimeter. I mean, at least that's what I'm thinking. So watch it around my chest, just so that this will be kind of helpful for whoever is trying to order and doesn't want to order 2 shades. I know that this foundation is it's gonna be at the Ulta stores. It's gonna be available, but I don't think it's available yet at the Ulta stores. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then let's swatch on actual face. that is 7, right? Let's make sure. That's 7, and it's called the Deep Reach. And then this is 8. I think like you can kind of tell like this is kind of almost like a neutral golden kind of shade, and this is like a cooler, you know, neutral side of things. Right off the bat, it feels really light, like a thinner texture. Yeah, I feel like the 8 kind of is trying to blend in faster. Like if I did do the 7, I would have to finesse it quite a bit to make it work for right now. But I think at the deep of winter that I would probably easily be. But like, wait a minute though. The 7 though does give me like a nice glow that I kind of like. What do you guys think? Talk to me. Like, let me know what you guys think. Should I do the 7 or should I do the 8? What do you guys think? Because I like them both. A little bit of oil on my skin. You don't need to do this. I just like a really, really glowy look, and just doing a little bit of oil usually gets my skin to that nice hydrated plumpy. But I already did my skincare before doing this. So I'm basically using it, using the 7 almost as a lighting kind of concealer. Is what I'm doing. But I'm gonna do the 8. I'm gonna blend with a little foundation brush. What do you guys think? Okay. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. There's some, like, it almost looks really grayish to me. I don't know if you guys can see it or if you like it. Let me know what you guys think. Put just a little bit more of the 7. And see if I can get that. I like that golden tone in my foundations, and that's not really showing through here. And then also, I think I like a little bit more coverage than this is given. It says it's infused with squalane and hyaluronic acid with glow boosting, creates a skin enhancing soft focus effect for effortless radiance. It is the only filter you will need. And you can wear it alone or under or over makeup with mixed with foundation or highlighter. Apply to desired areas. Blend with skin. Yeah, I think this might be a good one for like if you just want to throw something on your skin just to even out your skin really quickly. I still feel like I see a lot of texture in my skin, so I think that's also not making me fall in love right away. And like I said, this is usually up my alley, like this type of foundation. Yeah, I don't know if this is for me. Let's continue. I'm gonna go ahead and add my concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little powder on. I think if you are an oil girl like I am, I don't think that I would add oil underneath when I'm using this Halo Glow Liquid Filter by e.l.f. I wouldn't do it. I think that that's also kind of making it extra shiny, more shiny than I'm used to seeing. I kind of cheated. I looked at my recording of this, and it looks good on camera. So it's just, I don't know, my mirror. But in person, I don't think it looks as good, but it looks good on camera. So we'll continue. We'll keep going. Right now, I am using Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It is my favorite of the moment. I think it gives me a really good coverage, and I'm loving that. Oh, and you guys, I have a new tip. Well, new to me. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlighting everywhere else. My new tip to me is I will leave my concealer on for a little bit, let it dry for a little bit before I start blending. Not dry completely, but like let it sit and set, and because I find that it gives me the most coverage that way versus blending right away. And I am going to go with my super blown out highlighted concealer shade on top of it. But while we are waiting, let's try the brow lift. If I have the right, I don't really have the right stuff here, but we're gonna make do. Sephora brow gel spoolie to pick up products. That is what I'm doing down here. Can't see. Kind of gives that feathery look a little bit, and it will help hold the hairs in place. But let's go in and blend the concealer, the Born This Way. I'm going to use the same brush I used, and I'm also I'm starting on the edge of my placement, and I'm lifting up higher. It is something else. Lifting up higher. All right, here I go around the edges again, starting out there, and then I blend. I feel like it just gives better coverage than the way I've been doing it in the past. And then for this kind of e.l.f. Type foundation, like lighter coverage foundations or tints, I usually like to do like a really good coverage concealer, because that's really where I need the most coverage, because I have the bags, I have the dark circles, you know, like we gotta, you know, cover it up. Like I feel like around my chin, around my forehead, I don't need as much coverage. Maybe from time to time when I do have like blemishes, which doesn't happen very often for me, thank God. But and then sometimes around my mouth, because I have some kind of discoloration going on there, that's where I usually would need that reinforcement, that better coverage that a concealer kind of gives. But yeah, let's go with the Tarte. In the Tarte, I am using Rich, which is quite a bit lighter than any shade that of concealer that I have. But I already got most of my coverage from the Born This Way concealer, so I'm just gonna use like a minimal amount of this, not a lot. Okay. All right, I'm coming around, you guys. I'm coming around. I'm just. All right. So this just kind of gives me just a little bit of that blown out, like super light highlight, blown out highlighting. And it kind of gives a more lifted look too. All right. Using whatever is left on my forehead. All right, so next I am going to my Fashion Fair powder. This is kind of like my highlighting powder right now. Fashion Fair in Rich Copper powder is what I am gonna use to set my under eye, my forehead, and my chin, and around my mouth also. And also to kind of absorb some of that shine from my oil underneath. And the brush I'm using here is Echo Tools. It's an old brush. I should get a new one. Okay. I don't want to take all the shine away, so I'm gonna just chill out with the powder. But this is a nice glowy. I'm gonna do everything else. It's a nice glowy look. I think it's actually really pretty on camera. And what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. What do you think? Do you think that I should continue repurchasing the 7 or the 8 of the e.l.f.? Especially when I'm done with this, like what shade do you guys think I should repurchase? Do you guys see what I mean, I like it now, like after I've put my concealer and my powder, so. And then this my favorite lipstick for this summer. It is Clé de Peau Playful Pink. It is new from them. It was love at first sight, okay? I saw it and I was like, I gotta have you. And then a little Better Than Sex mascara. All right, let's see if we can match the other eye. I'll fix that off camera. And what else do we want to do? I think that is it. What do you guys think of this unboxing, try out? I think eventually I will probably do maybe a review of, but so far, you know, so far so good, you guys. You know, like I like it for what I will be using it for, which is just like, you know, if I just something to throw on real quickly. Like I'm not gonna be expecting like some kind of coverage from it. It is $14. I think it would be perfect for normal to dry skin, maybe combination skin, but I feel like if you're oily, you might not love it. If you have texture in your skin, you might not love it. But like I said, if what you need is not necessarily coverage, if you just need something to throw on real quick to, you know, go grocery shopping, to the gym, if you're that girl, if you're just, you know, taking a walk in the evening and you just want something real quick, like I think it's beautiful. It looks really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out a few more times and then come back and give you guys my final thoughts about it. Anyways, this is what we have. This is what we have. Oh, I want to do I love my mineralized skin finish. All as a all over powder, because it makes the skin look really pretty. So it absorbs shine, but it also makes the skin look like nice and glowy for a powder. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate it. It really does help. Leave me a comment. What do you guys think? Was I making things up when I was filming this? And I was saying like, I don't know if I like it, you know. But what do you guys think? Should I do a 7 or 8 when I'm repurchasing it? Do you guys like me to do more of this kind of reviews of like skin or complexion products? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye, y'all. Bye.